So thank you for tuning in. My girls keep telling me that I need more.
Like and subscribe! Please like and subscribe.
Because I'm not getting enough likes to be cool. So please like and subscribe. Here's the video. So this is the bag, the Trim Line 5000 Chase Harris Special. We got green seams, black ripstop. Goes good. The can't remember what the name of that is. Not ribbon, but the piping. That's what it's called. Piping. Piping's a little short just because they sell it in meters. So it ended up being like 9 foot 10 inches. And I made the bag a little oversized. But it's nice. Completely waterproof, rip proof. Well, somewhat rip proof. My mom seamed it so the zipper can go up into the bag. Can pretty much do it with one hand. Got the oversized 100-pound zipper. This opens up. And then it just Velcros in. And everything's on buttons. So if you rip your tarp or you want a different color tarp, you button it up. And I tied the ends. Because if you don't tie the ends, it just goes boop, 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 and pops off with the buttons. But man, so much nicer than the Domatech crap. And the color choice, you can have whatever color you want. This is like 10 mil canvas on the top. And then inside it's like heavy duty waterproof tarp. But whatever, if anything ever happens to it, you just unbutton it and replace it. So we did buttons on the very top seam here. Next time I would definitely use heavier duty buttons, or I would use like a snap that comes through and twists. And then we made the bag a little bit bigger than the pole, and the pole has buttons all along it as well. I put this up and put it away by myself in about 10 minutes, which was super nice. And it worked like fantastic at the campsite. I'll put in some kind of little video after this to show you it all out and put up. Yeah, it's sewed here so that no water can get in. Zipper can go up underneath. Rip stops. It was super cheap, first of all, and second of all, it's 100% waterproof, which is amazing. And whatever, you're going to spend $500 on a Domatech canopy and it's going to look awful. It's going to be made out of that cheap plastic junk that just rots in the sun. It's made to deteriorate. Then it's not waterproof, then it crumbles apart, and then if you touch it, it crumbles apart. I feel like this is going to last a long time. It's wicked rugged. You can change the actual canopy whenever you want to any color you want. With the snaps. And I went 10 by 10. I guess we could have gone bigger. But that's all we need. Fits a picnic table underneath. I'll shoot a video of that and show you it all out and expanded. But yeah, if you're interested, hit me up. Comment, like, subscribe. It'd really help out the channel. Kids loved it. I loved it. And you get everything you want. You don't have to pick and choose from horrible... I don't know who makes the colors for the canopies, but it's like a blind guy's in there just pointing at colors because it looks like a clown circus fest. Doesn't look like it should be designed for a camper. So this is the setup. We got 4 poles here tied into the ground. We got green canvas. It's like 10 mil, super heavy duty. Got a ripstop that we made the bag out of. Everything snaps together so we can replace the tarps if need be with these buttons all the way down. We got Velcro buckles on the inside, so when you roll it up, you just run the other half of the buckle through here and tie it up in there. And then we got the extra heavy duty zipper on that with the nice ripstop fabric. Came out so nice. Put the piping in the top that goes right into the channel.
Hello.
Hello, what do you think of the canopy?
I like it.
Yeah, I mean,
But can you take us in the pool?
maybe. Me and Grandma
What?
hooked it up. I mean, she's the seamstress. She hooked it all up, but I helped a lot.
Hooked it on.
These are the buckles on the top. I still gotta add a few buttons and stuff. And then I added some, this is all buttoned down too on the inside, but what we did was tied off each end. So the buttons don't just come undone when you're trying to set it up. And I still have to install a couple buttons so I can hold this up so it's out of the way of the light. But other than that, man, I am super stoked. We're going camping in 2 days, so when I take the whole camper down, I'll take another video of it all closed up. And how it mounts to the side, just like a regular canopy bag, trimline bag. Stay tuned.
Okay, here's how many they got. Stainless steel snaps. We got that, and that.